Okay, the purpose of this video is to understand how we replace the water inlet on a 383 SS. And what we're going to do is take the shell apart and show you how it actually is removed and installed. So first order of business is to remove the, as you can see, remove the power cord from the side. And then we're going to turn it around. And yep, that comes off as well, right. The gun holder comes off. The nozzle tray comes off next. Turning it on its tummy. Now we take a look at all of the recessed holes where the screws come out on the back side. Okay, very good. That's the accessory holder on the back. Now we're going to go after the actual case itself. Here we go. More screws, as Mario is pointing out. Very good.